let them check it and let's check it. I won't lie. Sometimes when we raise the issue as if we are saying things from our own head, he used those two phrases.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Honorable Afenyo, the leader of the mighty minority in Parliament, has spoken. Or since saying, yeah, MPP4, especially more and more Parliament, no. Omun suso nsem hu ni nsem fu bia subium from the NDC side. And we're making the statement categorically clear. Miti asem no. I am desa. I am de. Aden. We've allowed these NDC people to see themselves as superhumans and to see themselves as custodians of violence, to see themselves as bullies, and expecting we in the MPP to chicken out. And this they've been doing consistently, whether they are in power or in opposition. They always try to oppress those of us in the new patriotic party. And most of the time, when the youth of the party or some well-meaning people in the party, some of them even advanced in age, want to take a reaction, then we have the party leadership that comes and say, no, don't do this. Take care, take cool, let's go, let's be diplomatic. We can get them to reason. And it's because of that level of tolerance that we've exhibited towards the NDC that has empowered them so much so that it has, in the state in which we are currently as a nation, the kind of lawlessness we are seeing on a daily basis under this NDC government, the kind of violence that the NDC tax are unleashing upon people in MPP and some innocent Ghanaians, it is way too much. And the youth in the party have always been waiting for a time like this, where executives will empower them to defend themselves and defend the name of the new patriotic party. And the posture of Afenyo now and the leadership in Parliament is to be commended. And we are in the coming days also expecting our national executives to also come out with that kind of boldness. Somebody can be in NDC, they'll be misbehaving, insulting people. Why? They know that when the law catches up with them, their party will provide a lawyer for them, free to defend them in court. But as a MPP mono, if in trying to defend the party, there are excesses, and somebody drags you before the law court, you are left alone to suffer. And that is why you see people in MPP unwilling to go to certain extent for the party. NDC, they will get you lawyers lah. They will tell you, you just go and misbehave. If issues arises, we will defend you. And they do. They do. The number of NDC grassroots guys who for one reason or the other were hauled before court, you see the likes of Edukita Meklo and going in to defend them.
Mr. Speaker, I want to claim the attention of colleagues on this important matter. Mr. Speaker, our colleague Alhassan Suhini, in his submission earlier, had used two phrases: that the minority must not be seen to be acting irresponsible. And he also said quorum used unnecessary. Mr. Speaker, we can take it as he's saying so on a lighter note. But I want to remind my colleagues opposite me. But now, let them check it and let's check it. I won't lie. Sometimes when we raise the issue as if we are saying things from our own head, he used those two phrases. Check it now, Mr. Speaker. I wrote it down. But I'm saying that we absorb some of these jokes. We, our side, we absorb some of these strong words. But if it were to come from this side to the other side, you would have heard, hey, why are you calling irresponsible? They should be responsible. You can check it. So I am reminding him.
Let me find out from Honorable Soyini.
If he says he didn't use it, let's call for the record.
Did you
Play
use
it
the
for him.
word irresponsible
Mr.
minority?
Speaker, I remember using 3 words. I described the use as unnecessary. I encourage.
And to some of them, most of them, even they win the cases. And when this guy comes out, he's the more empowered that I have a party that has that's got my back. So I fear no evil. I fear no repercussions. And that is what the new patriotic party must learn. There are young men and women who are ready to go all out for you. Just that they need an assurance from you that when it becomes tough, when it becomes legal, we will have the backing of the party and the party will provide lawyers. Good lawyers for that matter, because we know in the MPP there are a lot of good lawyers, extraordinarily intelligent lawyers. We know. Now, the reason why Afenyo Makin even made this statement for starters, and he said, Mekaya last week, the whole of last week, Ekasafa Zaneto Rollins, and say, during the JB Dankwa celebrations, statements were being made on floor of parliament now. Man, where Nititi say, Kubenu, Afenyo Senkra, Mutala, and I Mutala sorry, yena, because assembly I will not dream na okika. At the before by, and in Uncle 4 on the MPP side, no, now I'm try some switch off the mic. And now Muna Zaneto Rollins, as they were switching off the mic, no, she thought she was human power, and she was switching the mic on back, edging Mutala on. And now Besubu Fuye when MPP side, no, say, daughter of a murderer, sit down. A same way, my chin sa. Up to now, we have not seen the head or tail of it. Now, and now parliament, no. Muntalania, Suhinio, and I said whatever the name is pronounced, no. And also goes ahead to call the minority, our own mighty minority, he calls us irresponsible minority. So, Afenyo Makin is letting them know that when you call this irresponsible minority, we have not complained. So when we also come up with an adjective to qualify you, we do not expect you to say thing, because you cannot have your way, you cannot eat your cake and have it. So now it is on the you do me, I do you basis. Man no go verse. You insult somebody on the MPP side, we insult 10 people from the NDC side. You slap one MPP person, we slap 10 people in the NDC. Yes, we shall meet you boot for boot. And now you are coming to see that the elephant cannot be intimidated. The elephant. Go and ask lions in the jungle. The elephant cannot. The appearance of the elephant alone is enough reason to compose yourself, to comport yourself. And that is a side of the elephant we are going to reveal to the NDC in these 4 years that we are in opposition. If you think we will still come and do gentility. And mubwa. We shall face you squarely. And you prepare for it. Prepare for it. Because it's coming on like kakai. You see, Anodon Prayer has alerted you. 7 days. Ablokumanov. Otherwise demonstration. People don't know what is coming. If you knew, you will amend your ways. This has been a political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.